clicked on the right video. For the next few minutes, forget everything happening around you and focus only on my voice. In this video, I'm going to show you real, new, and genuinely working ways to make money online in 2026. Not copied ideas, not fake get-rich-quick methods, but practical systems that can actually generate dollars consistently. But let me be clear, this is not a time pass video. If you clicked just for entertainment, you can leave right now and watch something else. This video is for people who are serious about making money. If you truly want to build income streams and start earning online, then don't skip, stay focused, and listen carefully, because what I'm about to share is 100% genuine and can completely change how you think about making money online. Now let's get straight into it. The first idea is something most people are ignoring right now, and that is building AI-powered digital assets. Instead of working daily for dollars, you create something once and let it pay you over time. For example, you can create simple but valuable digital products like niche guides, short ebooks, checklists, or templates. The key is to solve a specific problem that people are actively searching for, like budgeting, saving money, fitness plans, or online income systems. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to structure information in a clear and useful way. Once your product is ready, you upload it to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy, and every time someone buys it, you earn dollars without doing extra work. This is how real passive income starts. The second idea is one of the most powerful in 2026, faceless. YouTube automation. You don't need to show your face. You don't need expensive cameras, and you don't need a big team. You pick a niche like finance, AI tools, or motivation. Create simple videos using stock footage or visuals and add voiceover. Once your videos start getting views, YouTube pays you through ads. And here's the important part. Finance content has one of the highest RPM rates, which means more dollars per 1,000 views. That means even a small channel can start generating real income. On top of that, you can add affiliate links in the description, so you earn even more dollars from the same content. Next is print on demand, but with a smarter approach. Most people fail because they create generic designs. Instead, focus on micro niches, very specific audiences. For example, instead of general fitness, target something like funny gym quotes for introverts or motivation for night shift workers. You create simple designs using free tools and upload them to platforms like Redbubble or Teespring. Whenever someone buys your product, you earn profit. No inventory, no shipping, and no daily work. The key here is consistency and volume. The more designs you upload, the higher your chances of earning dollars every day. Now let's talk about automated niche websites. This is one of the most stable long-term passive income methods. You create a simple blog focused on a specific niche, for personal finance, credit cards, or side hustles. Then you write articles targeting what people are searching for on Google. Over time, your website starts getting traffic. Once that happens, you monetize it using ads and affiliate links. Finance-related websites usually have higher PM, which means higher earnings per visitor. One well-ranking article can bring in traffic and dollars every single day without extra effort. Another powerful method is building simple digital tools using no-code platforms. You don't need programming skills anymore. You can create tools like budget calculators, savings trackers, or small AI-based tools that solve simple problems. You can offer them for free with ads or charge a small monthly fee. Even if you charge just $5 per month and get 200 users, that's $1,000 in recurring income. And recurring income is the best type of income because it keeps coming every month. Next is selling templates. People love ready-made solutions because they save time. You can create templates for Notion, Excel, or Google Sheets, like expense trackers, business planners, or content calendars. These are simple to create, but very valuable. Once uploaded on marketplaces, they can generate passive income for months or even years. Now let's talk about content licensing. If you create videos, animations, or even simple visual clips, you can upload them on platforms where businesses buy content. Every time someone downloads your content, you earn dollars. This means one piece of content can pay you again and again without extra effort. Another high-level strategy is building an email system. You offer something free to collect emails, like a guide or checklist. Then you set up automated emails that promote products or services. Once it's set up, it works 24/7. People join your list, receive emails, and sometimes buy through your links. That's passive income, running in the background. Now, let's move to AI-powered content pages. These are Instagram, TikTok, or Pinterest pages focused on a niche. You post content regularly using AI tools. As your audience grows, you can monetize through brand deals, affiliate links, or digital products. Attention is powerful, and once you have it, converting it into dollars becomes much easier. Another underrated method is voiceover work. Even if you don't want to show your face, your voice can earn dollars. You can create voiceovers for YouTube videos, ads, or audiobooks. Once you build a portfolio, clients start coming to you. Over time, you can automate parts of the process and turn it into a semi-passive income stream. Finally, think about digital asset flipping. You build websites, pages, or small online assets, grow them, and then sell them for profit. Some digital assets sell for thousands of dollars, depending on traffic and income. It's like flipping houses, but online. Now here's the most important part: mindset. Passive income is not instant. It requires effort at the beginning, but once the system is built, it starts generating dollars without daily work. Instead of thinking about making money today, think about building something today that will pay you for the next year. In 2026, the people who win are not the ones working harder, but the ones building smarter systems. So don't try everything at once. Pick one method, focus on it, and build it properly. Once it starts working, scale it. If you stay consistent and take action, making $1,000 per month in passive income is not just possible, it's realistic. Now the choice is yours. You can close this video and go back to the same routine, or you can take action and start building your income today. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only. The income methods shared are based on real strategies, but results are not guaranteed and may vary from person to person. Earning money online requires time, effort, consistency, and the right execution. This is not a get-rich-quick system, and there is no guarantee of specific dollar earnings. Always do your own research before starting any online income method.